The new Tornador Mini. Small, compact, and packed with power. Using a working pressure of up to 9 bar, the Tornador Mini shows what it's made of. The classic among dry cleaning guns is now available in a new compact design. Especially in hard-to-reach areas, the size and flexibility of the Tornador Mini are unbeatable. The proven Tornador hose technology that has been trusted for over a decade ensures excellent cleaning results. In close cooperation with professional users, our newest innovation was thoroughly tested and found good. An indispensable tool in your pocket and the perfect addition to all vehicle prep work. The Tornador Mini, with its unique Tornador effect, tackles deep-seated dirt, bringing stubborn dirt to the surface or quickly cleaning and drying repairs and parts. It fits perfectly in your hand, is easy to use, and is well suited for professional continuous use. Cleaning of our newest tool is very easy. Just put it in water and press the trigger. Within seconds, it will be clean. The Tornador Mini comes ready for use, where parts like the hose and funnel are easy to reorder and replace on your own. The Tornador Mini is the latest addition to the Tornador series and the cleaning tool for all professional applications, inside and outside. The new Tornador Mini, strongest performance, efficient consumption, and incredibly thorough in cleaning. Tornador, no compromises.